CompTIA Interview Questions and Answers 2025. Most frequently asked CompTIA Interview Questions 2025. Skip info. The world of IT industries is complex and is a highly competitive field and maintains a better position in this field. One has to stay ahead of the competition by earning well-known certifications and credentials. Getting a CompTIA certification is one of them. This technology is booming day by day.
Before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. SprintSeal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
It has pushed envelopes for the industry too. Every company is adding demands for IT officials to manage their technological end. When it comes to earning any CompTIA certification, one has to closely examine the pros and cons of a certificate. It is said so because there are many certification providers around the world. However, there are a handful of genuine vendor-neutral certification providers in the market. In addition to that, one has to earn a certification that is not bound to a specific geography. Instead, an IT certification should have a global presence in the market. Such a certificate is not tied to any boundary or specific geography. Whether you already have a CompTIA certification or are considering earning one, it's important to review the top CompTIA interview questions to prepare yourself for success in the field. About CompTIA certification interview. CompTIA offers certifications for both professionals and newcomers looking to enter the IT field. However, achieving a CompTIA certification in any sector of IT requires effort and dedication. Instead, candidates need to go through comprehensive training courses and prepare for various CompTIA interview questions to become certified IT professionals. This article will be more vocal about the interview questions for CompTIA certification. We have compiled numerous essential interview questions that can help a person. They will not only pass the CompTIA interview but also an edge upon gaining CompTIA certification. It will also make sure that a person cracks all these questions and becomes a successful CompTIA developer. All these interview questions are well structured and well framed for individuals ranging from entry-level to the professional level. Essential aspects of CompTIA certification. There are other essential aspects that an individual observes before achieving an IT certification, like CompTIA certification. Some of the crucial elements are: increasing job prospects, increase in the salary range, gaining new skills, attaining a better position in any organization, getting better recognition. Many promising IT certifications provided by globally recognized platforms ask for at least 1 or 2 years of unique experience in any area of work in IT. There are a handful of organizations that provide entry-level certification that can help an IT fresher enter the field of IT. One of the famous ITH certifications provided is the CompTIA certification. Top 30 CompTIA interview questions and answers. We have compiled sets of CompTIA interview questions and answers with likely questions by the interviewers, as these are the most frequently asked questions. Reviewing comprehensive CompTIA interview questions and answers in advance helps with interview preparation and pursuing a career as a CompTIA developer. Moreover, it widens up to a broader context of the subject and enhances ideas on elaborating the Viva process and facing questions in a confident tone. CompTIA interview questions and answers set 1. 1. Define personal computer. A personal computer can be defined as a system component that works together. The acronym used for a personal computer is a PC. It is not an operating system or an application, but it is computer hardware. There are various components of a personal computer that involve a central processing unit, CPU, a motherboard, a memory, RAM, a hard drive or storage, a power supply, a video card, a mouse and a keyboard, a network card, a cooling fan. 2. What do you mean by gateway? A gateway is a network node that serves as an access point to another network, often using a different protocol. It acts as a translator between two networks that may have different transmission protocols. Unlike routers that only direct traffic within the same network, a gateway can connect two or more networks with different architectures or protocols, e.g., an internal LAN and an external WAN. 3. Differentiate between a gateway and a router. Gateway connects with two or more networks with different architectures or protocols. Acts as a translator between networks, enabling communication where direct interaction is not possible. Router connects multiple networks that use the same protocol. Operates at OSI model layer 3 or the network layer. 4. What are the various types of hard disk drive connectors? The rigid drive connectors are connected with a variety of integrated disk controllers. And the different types of hard disk drive connectors are IT, IT, PATA, SATA, SCSI, etc. 5. Define the functions of an operating system. An operating system can be defined as software that supplies, that helps computers run applications. Different types of applications. Various functions of the operating system are: it has to manage the RAM or memory of a computer. It helps the user to connect any type of device on their computer. It provides a user with a graphical interface. It secures the data of a computer. It helps the user to connect to various networks. It helps to manage files and folders on the computer. It manages and monitors a series of applications and processes. A user has to make sure that the application they installed should be compatible with their operating system, as every application is designed specifically for a particular type of operating system, like Windows XP, Windows Vista, Linux, Mac, and so on. CompTIA interview questions and answers set 2. 6. What do you mean by system files? Files like registry data files, INI, NTLDR, COM, and SYS are known as system files. Each of these files works differently to serve a particular purpose. Registry data files to store databases of low-level settings for the Windows operating system. The INI permits a user to choose a suitable operating system, while it also helps a user to choose different boot options for their operating systems. The NTLDR is a boot loader. It is generally found in the active disk partition. It is written as boot INI when XP is selected. It runs the comment NTTect. COM, further, it runs the DOSCML. X, and then it runs HAL. DLL, after running these commands, it reads the registry data files and loads the device drivers. The COM files are used for executing simple tasks in DOS or Windows systems and help in the initial stages of the boot process. Specifically, it provides basic input-output system functions during booting. The SYS is a system file that is used to boot Windows. It is used to boot Windows from SCSI disk drives. 7. Describe the different methods of installing an operating system. There are various known methods to install any operating system. For every end user, the operating systems are installed by the computer technicians.
Before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. SprintSeal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description. Before